Hey guys, you're welcome back to this channel. If you love singing and you feel like you sound better at home than when it's time for karaoke, then this video is for you. Maybe you panic when the instrumental starts, your voice struggles to stay in key, or your voice cracks whenever you're in front of people. Today, I'm sharing simple karaoke tips and tricks that can help you sound more confident, controlled, and musical even if you're not a professional singer. Make sure you watch till the end because the last tip is the one that most people ignore, but it changes everything. Let's go! Firstly, you need to choose the right song. The number one mistake that most people make is choosing the wrong song. You don't choose the song that people expect you to sing. You don't choose the song that is most popular. You choose the song that matches with your voice. Here is how to choose correctly. Now, you need to pick a song that you sing comfortably even while you are at home. This is a song that you already know before now. Secondly, you need to avoid songs with extremely high or extremely low notes. Then thirdly, you need to avoid songs that when the singer sang it, it sounded as if he was cracking. Avoid those kind of songs because you will definitely or most likely also crack your voice. Karaoke trick number one. If you can hum the entire song comfortably without any strain, then that could be a very good choice. Secondly, you need to know the song before you sing it. Karaoke is not a time for you to start learning lyrics of the song. No, you need to know the song very well before singing with the karaoke. Even though the words are on screen, reading the lyrics too much could distract you, making you lose focus and even you miss timing and confidence. So instead of that, you should know the song very well. You know where the bridge is, you know where the chorus starts, you know where the song drops, and you know where the song builds up. Pro tips. Practice singing along with the karaoke on YouTube of that particular song before the main event. Or you can use a karaoke app like Star Maker to practice before the main event. Thirdly, don't start too loud. Most people ruin their karaoke performance in the first 10 seconds. Why? Because they start too loud and too strong. Remember that your voice needs time to settle, and yes, the mic will amplify your voice, so there is no need for you to start too loud or too strong. Now, karaoke trick. Start at 70% energy, then build up as the song continues. This gives you the room to grow into the performance, to sound more controlled, to avoid cracking. Fourthly, you have to breathe properly. If you run out of breath, you will run out of confidence. So before singing, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath from your belly, not your chest. Okay? Take a deep breath in and out. Make sure you are relaxed. Relax your shoulders, okay? Relax your shoulders, calm your mind, and do not rush the lines. While singing, you need to breathe during instrumental breaks and do not hold your breath before taking a high note. Simple breathing tip. If your shoulders are rising or raising up, then you are breathing wrongly. Next, you have to hold the mic correctly. Yes, mic handling matters a lot because if you do not hold the mic well, you begin to sound maybe shouty, distorted, and you might even lose your dynamics. The correct way to hold your mic is 2 to 3 inches away from your mouth. You don't cover the head of the mic. And when you want to take a high note, you shift the mic a little farther away from your mouth. Then when you want to take softer notes, you take it closer to your mouth. Karaoke trick. The mic is your volume control. Use it. Next, you have to stay in key. Please, you have to stay in key. One of the biggest fears that most people have during this karaoke is singing off key. Now, these are ways in which you can avoid it. Listen carefully to the instrumental intro. Don't shout to stay on pitch. And find the starting notes in your head. Here's another trick. Hum the first note quietly in your head before singing the actual lyric. This helps your brain lock into the key of the song. Next, don't force high notes. Please, do not force high notes. It's not about power, it's about control. If a note feels too high, then lighten your voice as it goes. Do not push from your truth. Think tall instead of loud. Here's another trick. It is better to sing a high note softly and in key than loudly and off key. The audience prefers control over noise. Next, use simple expression and not too much drama. Karaoke is about connection and not competition. Excessive hand movements, shouting, and too much body language. No. Once the audience sees that you are enjoying yourself, they too will enjoy themselves. So all you need to do is to smile when the song is happy, relax your face, and let the lyrics speak for you. Next, you have to recover quickly from mistakes. Yes, mistakes happen and that's okay. But what matters is that you do not stop singing and you don't apologize mid-song. Just continue singing as if nothing happened. Karaoke trick. Most people do not notice mistakes unless you react to them. So make sure panic does not show in your face even if you made a mistake. Finally, confidence beats perfection. Karaoke is not about perfection, it's about confidence, expression, and enjoyment. Even if your voice isn't perfect, if you are confident, connected, and expressive, people will enjoy your performance. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to like, click on the subscribe button, and comment. What song do you usually sing using the karaoke? And if you need more singing tips, please do well to let me know in the comment section and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my tips. See you in the next video. Bye!